Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we are here at Tweedbank, which is the terminus of the Borders Railways, in case you can tell there's buffers there. And the station only opened in late 2015 along with the rest of the Borders line after it closed. It used to continue all the way to Carlisle before the Beaching Acts came along. And the last train to come along this line before the line closed was a sleeper train that was delayed by nearly 2 hours by protesters. And there is plans to extend the line up to Melrose, I assume, and then maybe to Longtown afterwards. They're just proposals. So the line goes to Edinburgh and the next stop is Carlisle from this station. Anyways, enjoy the video. First up is 2 Tango 82, a ScotRail service terminating here from Edinburgh Waverley. It's pathed as a 90 mph diesel multiple unit. £170,425. Driving in very slowly despite the speed limit being 25 miles an hour. Albeit I know that drivers like to arrive at stations that have a terminal platform no more than around 15 to 10 miles an hour. 10 to 15 miles an hour. Right, so we will see this leaving in a minute or two, running 2 Tango 83. And here is 170,425 doing 2 Tango 83 from here to Edinburgh, and I'm hoping the sun can stay out for a bit longer to get a beautiful shot of it leaving the station. And its next stop is Carlisle, also known as Carlisle. It's called Carlisle by the locals. Now we have 2 Tango 84 arriving from Edinburgh Waverley. This is 170,396. Looks like it's only going to be Turbostars that we'll be seeing today. To be honest, I could think of worse trains to film all day. It could be the only train like 380s, that's a regular one, if you know what I mean. Now leaving is 2 Tango 85 for Edinburgh Waverley. From here, of course. 170,396. driver there. And now it will accelerate up towards 70 miles an hour. Don't think it will get to that speed though before it has to slow down for galley shields. I'm surprised the line speed after leaving the station is actually 70. I thought it'd be something like 50 because there's quite a few bends in the way. But that's just my opinions. If you have any opinions then please let me know in the comments. Now departing we have 174.10 running 2 Tango 87 from here to Edinburgh Waverley, and this will be the last train that I'm going to film today. See, do you hear that level crossing noise again? It's coming from one of those fuse boxes, on it right at the very end I think. Anyway, so as I said, this will be the last train I'm going to film today. Thank you very much for watching. If you did enjoy the video then please give it a thumbs up, subscribe and comment if you want to say anything about the video. And I hope to see you in whatever the next video is. Goodbye.